What is this? Who authorized this waterfall in my sink? Turn it off! Turn it off! Why is it so wet? I'm losing the fight! Mayday! Mayday! I'm suing! Power up set! Debuff! Respawn elsewhere!
Wait, do I eat first or enjoy the head scratch first? This is the hardest decision of my life.
What was that sound? Ghosts? Okay, it's fine. Just check the drain. Ghosts aren't real. Oh no. It's haunted. Silly child. We don't talk about this. Break up now. Skill the wall push. High freedom awaits. One more try. Still can't find. Fight on endure. Hold my banana. I'm breaking the sound barrier. Forgot Tarzan. It's my jungle now. Bro, I don't run from problem. I sprint from them. Wait. Did I really just smoke you like that? Run it back.
You left the dishes in the sink again. Nah! Nah! Dude, I did them last time.
Oh yes. Almost mine. So close. Why life like this? Why does the universe hate me? Guys, what should I do? Jump? Cry? Or just steal the whole bike? What is this magical treasure bag?
Oh, my bananas. It's popcorn. Don't talk to me. Don't touch me. This is not popcorn. No.
Square up, bro. I may be tiny, but I'm dangerous like a furry ninja. Kid, sit down before you hurt yourself. Ma! It's it.
Okay, if I'm honest, it was just 2 shots. But the grunt was like, hey baby, come closer. And if anyone asks, I was just, testing gravity.
Gary, wait up! You said we were walking! You promised! It's leg day, Gary! You know I can't fly on leg day! My quads are on fire! I'm getting cramp! Gary! Blink can't eat scum. Watch me eat fast. I'll savor every moment, nibble by nibble. Nom 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 nom. Gun in dash. High tension. Tastes better than speed.
Stop the count. This is Slippers. Derek. Direct. I saw it. Everybody saw it. We're taking them back. Huge victory. Let's come back over.
Who put the floor so far away? Okay, breathe. You're fine. This isn't funny. I saw my whole life flash. I owe no one money.
Wait. Is he coming over to me? Oh my god, he noticed me. Stop, you making me blush. Okay, but listen. Love is cool, but food is life. Oh, fine. I'll take one more snack. I stay there. 10 out of 10. Would you take 10? Yum.